Hi everyone, it's Nick here, your English fluency coach from RealEnglishSpeaker.com. I'm excited to tell you that I've got a little surprise for you, a little gift. I have made a special video training series for your English. So if you're enjoying my videos here on YouTube, maybe you would like to move your English to a new level, to a much higher level. Maybe you would like the opportunity to learn how to actually communicate with native speakers more easily and confidently. Doesn't that sound good? This 3-part video series is called Speak and Connect because it's all about speaking English, using it confidently, and connecting with native speakers. This is a fun video series with some free exercises for you. In this series, you'll learn 3 main things. Number 1, how to communicate and connect with native speakers, especially using phrasal verbs. 2, how to memorize vocabulary and phrasal verbs, how to memorize them effectively and use them. I give you a really good technique for this. And 3, how to improve your pronunciation so you can sound more clear and speak more naturally. In this training, you'll get 3 free videos which will be sent to your email. You'll also get 2 MP3 audios which you can download and you can practice listening to native English on your headphones, on your phone, on your computer, anywhere. You'll get a natural conversation, a dialogue, and a short story, an original short story, practicing some new vocabulary. So you'll get this. You'll also get a pronunciation training exercise. So this is really powerful and useful, and you'll get to practice this with me. Also, you will get to practice your English with me and other people in a secret private Facebook group. Well, this is a private Facebook group that I have with some people, but you can come in there and you can answer some questions and you can practice with other people. So it's called Speak and Connect. And it starts in April. It's coming very soon. But you must sign up to get this free video series. So please go below to the link below this video and click on there. You need to enter your name and put your email address in there so that I can send you the free videos. They will come to you over 1 week. So you'll get video 1 on a Thursday. You'll get video 1 and you'll get some practice exercises. And then the next week, you'll get video 2 and video 3. So I'm really excited to bring you this series called Speak and Connect. Join us at RealEnglishSpeaker.com. So don't forget to go to the link and sign up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.